Good morning, everyone. Today we're doing something more interesting. We're doing walls, not ceiling. Last time you saw the ceiling. If you want to see it, down in the description below.
Sneak peek.
So now we need to start off by vacuum cleaning the whole room, vacuum clean the walls, vacuum clean upstairs walls, and then the next step is to take out all these tiny nails, screws, whatever the hell they are. You said you filmed me first and then you filmed
Yes, I just filmed you showing it.
Okay. Then we're gonna put primer on the walls, which is gonna harden the walls from anything falling off. Then we're gonna put spacktel over them to spacktel them nice and plaster. Sorry, goddamn Latvian words, German, whatever. We're gonna put plaster on. Plaster all over the walls wherever it's imperfect. Like here it's perfect. We don't need to put shit. And then we're gonna sandpaper it off and then paint it. And it's gonna be nice and beautiful. And we're not taking off the boiler because it's way too heavy.
We will. Have to.
That's gonna go there.
No, we need to take the boiler off. I want to paint it behind it.
Paint.
Okay, then you can paint.
Paint.
Okay, you can paint then.
Paint.
Okay, are you gonna paint it?
Yes.
Okay.
So let's start working.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
To the cement tutorial. I have never ever done this, and this tutorial is completely based on me trying this out for the first time.
Very good.
Cut a hole in your cement bag. I have no idea where's the best part to cut, but I feel like that's a good part. Ooh, look at that cement. Then take this heavy ass bag.
We already have put 5. You have forgot to say. I measured that. Wait. I have measured the bucket till the 20 centimeters. So we put already 5 water. You are not saying correct things to your tutorial. You missed that part. So we're gonna put now as much.
Is that enough?
I think so, right?
Okay, I
Sounds
hope
like-
this makes a lot of dough for my house. I think I should use a spoon or something.
Very good. That's very smart.
Does it have a hole? It has a hole.
Okay, you want to hold your bucket maybe? What are you doing now?
Using the hole.
That's very smart.
It's very stupid, Robert. I've never done cement, but I should know how bags work.
Sounds like diarrhea. That's all I can say. Well, it's gonna be.
Also smells like diarrhea.
So let's see.
I think it's a bit watery, no?
Yeah.
Oops, don't smell like. I think builders become very good bakers.
You put the bag in the cement, just saying. That's balls.
Yeah, make sure until the balls are gone. There we go, cement. It's literally just tons of powder and like nothing water. Cement is nice and creamy. Now we go upstairs and we cement all the walls. Let's go.
Yeah.
And this is the struggle. Where? There's a plug here. Can you bring light? Light.
Yeah, which one?
Yesterday I was a plumber. Now I'm a bricklayer. I think it might be a bit too liquidy still. I think it needs more. I think the consistency is too leaky. Yeah, I think it's not good enough. Put a bit more.
Okay.
And a new battery for the drill, please.
I
Goes
could have said that earlier. Where do you want to put it? The light.
You can go see him.
Yeah.
This big one?
Yeah.
Floor. Is moving it now?
No. Yeah.
Ductiling. I'm not enjoying cementing so much. I do enjoy this gap though. This is very cool gap to sit on. Should make a chair here. So whenever you're showering, I can just chill here, wait.
Okay, finish up. I already did whatever was falling off whenever he was doing it from upstairs, but I guess now it's a finished touch. Looks pretty good. Right?
Yeah, versus how big the holes were.
Oh yeah, that hole before there was insane.
So, I'm plasterboarding. Now we're in the next step of the walls, which is plastering. They have primer on them, so the plaster should stick pretty good. I'm putting some mesh on the bigger holes.
This one?
Because it creates crack if it's over 3 millimeters in depth. It's already 3 millimeters in depth, really, even with the mesh. Because just to cover the mesh, it's more than 3 millimeters. But it should be okay. I don't know how much the mesh can be visible and how much I can sand it away. But we'll see that tomorrow. Really. So I'm just gonna plaster all the walls and we'll show you how it looks after.
That's all I did. We are all done finally. It took us 4 hours, 4.5 together to do the whole room, and now it is 12:30. That's how late we're working. Pretty late. But we finished the walls, and hopefully tomorrow we can scratch them off, like they will have dried till the morning, so we can scratch them and put a primer again and then paint them. Finally we'll have a shower. It took forever. It took literally 1.5, no, it took exactly 2 weeks, I think, because we arrived on Tuesday, and on Tuesday we're gonna put the shower in. Oh my god. But I'm happy that it's all done. So yeah, see you tomorrow when we put the paint on. I'm tired and I'm hungry, let's go.
So it's the next day, the plaster has not dried. So it says online that it's roughly a week for plastering like this, which is a bit deeper, takes to dry, even up to a month. So we're gonna wait a week, and then we're gonna sandpaper it and paint it. So see you in a week.